Okay, so I just want to show you what I'm going to be using to do the panel on my fitted wardrobes in my bedroom. And I've gone with these, and they're from B&Q, and they're really thin, and that's what I wanted. And they're just dado rails, and they're made of pine, so great wood to be. I can paint these as well white. And yeah, so what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be measuring up how I want these on the and probably mark it with a pencil how I want these to look on the fitted wardrobes. And then it's a matter of, I've got some no more nails, and because they're so thin they're not going to go anywhere, literally just stick these in place and then paint, and it's as easy as that. And then I can get fitted wardrobes now that would look like they're panelled, and it just gives that, I don't know, a little bit of luxury to the plain old wardrobe doors that I have, and it would just look a little bit more glamorous as well. And yeah, so that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to show you my wardrobe doors now. There's three of them. There's three large wardrobe doors, and then at the top there's a storage space, so there's three little ones, sorry, at the top as well. So all of those need to be panelled. I probably don't have enough. I've got these because I was going to use this for another job, you see. That's why I don't have enough. And then when I found out it wasn't going to be right for the job that I was going to do, then I decided where else could I use them, and then I thought, yes, my wardrobe. So I probably need more than there is at the moment. So what I'm going to do is just do as much as I can now, order some more in once I've seen how much I've used up, and then finish the job and then do some painting, and hopefully it would look really, really nice. Okay, so this is what my wardrobes look like at the moment, and obviously you can see at the top there is these three storage units as well, which I'm going to put the panelling on. In the centre I have this little transfer. I've had that there for, oh God, I don't know how many years now. I'm going to remove that now, and I'm going to leave that plain because I just think it would look better with nothing there and just the panelling, and I think it would look much more richer just to have it plain. And yeah, so that's going to get removed, yeah, ready for the transformation. I also have a handle missing up there, but I do have the handle, so I need to put that back in place. So yeah, so we're going to measure up how, and I'm going to show you a picture of how I want this to look as well, taken from some inspo, and also, yeah, I'm going to be doing the measuring up. So as you can see here, I'm going to be measuring 10 centimetres in from the edges, and I'm going to do that all the way around, and that's going to be my marking point. And then I'm literally going to draw where I want the panelling. Actually, I just think it would be better. Okay, so as you can see, I've measured up and I've lined up exactly where I want my panelling to go up to the floor there. You can see I've lined it up as well. And yeah, and you've seen the inspiration picture that I showed you. It's like a Victorian kind of panelling, really fine panelling, which is what I really like. So yeah, and what I did was I just measured 10 centimeters from the top, 10 centimeters from either side, and 10 centimeters again from the bottom to make it all equal. And then we'll go through the process with every other door, even the top ones we can still do in 10 centimeters, 10 centimeters, because obviously will be smaller. So yeah, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using actually to cut the corners, and it's a great little gadget. Let me show you that. Okay, so this this is what I got from Amazon, and it's really good because it does cut angles. This is like an angle cutter guide, and you can see where you would place it in. And then it says here it does the 45 degrees and the 90 degree. So that's great. And obviously I want the 90 degree because I just want the straight edge cut, and that's going to really help me and guide me to do the corners. So if you're looking for a tool, I can definitely link this one down below. It wasn't too pricey either, and it's just a great way of making sure you get your corners done. So you just literally just slot your piece of wood in and then cut along the slants, which one is the one that you want. And yeah, I think it's really a good handy tool to have in your toolbox. And then I will just go and mark up exactly the length and width of the paneling, so I know exactly where to make those cuts. And now I'm just going to get my saw, and I'm just going to cut the angles now, ready to place them onto the wardrobe with the no nails. That's what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be using the Unibond No More Nails, and I'll leave a link as well. I got this one from Amazon to stick the trim down onto the wardrobe. So as you can see here, I've got more of the paneling. I managed to finish the center door. Yeah, I just need to give it another recoat of paint to make it obviously a lot whiter. I've taken off the hardware, and I'm going to do some gold wax on there just to bring a little bit of elegance into the room. So there it is. It's had another recoat of paint. And yeah, so with the gold wax, I have just put in a few details because these were really dark before, and I think it just brightens it up, and I just think it will really pop once it's on the panel door. So let's see what it all looks like.
I do hope that you enjoyed this video. I've put in the other handle. I did find it and I put the gold wax on it. Yeah, so please let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hope to see you all again in another video. Bye.